Welcome, in front of me is a REALME X2 Pro, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this phone. Now to get started, you will need a SIM eject tool, as I have one right over here, and you can find it somewhere in the box, so yeah. Now if you can't find it, you can also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends and it will work just as well. So once you have it, you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the, there we go, on the right side above the power key. As you can see right over here, and when you push it in, the tray will pop out, and from here simply take out the tray, and it looks like we can only insert 2 different SIM cards and no SD cards, so let's just place one. You can place it on either slot, it doesn't really matter, and once you have inserted it back into the device, and oh there we go. So let's put in the pin for the SIM card. Done, and now it's unlocked. So that is how you would insert your SIM into this device, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.